Why does your scanner show the P0198 engine code? What does it mean? P0198 is a diagnostic trouble code for engine oil temperature sensor, a circuit high. This engine code indicates that the PCM or ECM has detected a voltage in the engine oil temperature EOT sensor circuit that is higher than expected. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty engine oil temperature sensor, wiring problems, engine cooling system issues, powertrain control module issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, GMC, Chevrolet, VW, Nissan, Dodge, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.